Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on activating dark mode for Snapchat on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on Snapchat. Tap the settings icon from the top right. In Settings, scroll down and select App Appearance. Here is where you can enable dark mode by selecting Always Dark. You can also get Snapchat to match your system settings, so when you turn on dark mode on your iPhone, it also changes it on Snapchat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.